Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Erica. I create beauty videos, hair videos, as well as vlogs. So if any of those things interest you guys, just stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. So I'm gonna jump right into it. I wanted to do a brow grooming video. I have not done that before, and I wanted to show you guys how I groom my brows because we are quarantined, and I don't know about you guys, but I know stuff is still kind of closed around in the area, so brow waxing is not a thing. Y'all hear that wind? Okay, let me hurry up. Anyways, so I wanted to show you guys my updated brow routine as well as this grooming routine. So yeah, let's just jump right into the video. Alright guys, so I'm just starting off by brushing my brow hairs up using like a spoolie like brush, and then I'm just taking some witch hazel and I'm just cleaning the eyebrow area. Once I do that, I'm going to be taking some Vaseline on a Q-tip, and I'm just going to be pretty much coating my brow in the skin area so that when I go and begin to arch with the God, what is it called? With the razor, I won't be like tugging at my skin, or it just give it a smooth canvas for you to arch your eyebrows without hurting you. Because I know in the past when I did used to go get my eyebrows arched, if the lady like didn't put enough Vaseline or forgot to put on there, I would actually hurt. Like it would hurt and then you would bleed. So definitely put some type of protective base. Vaseline is really good. So that you won't cut yourself. So I'm using a small razor here, and I got this from my local beauty supply store. You can find this pretty much anywhere at a CVS, Walmart, Target, anything like that, you guys. And I like to go in with a smaller razor because it can fit into that small area of my brow. If I had a bigger razor underneath, it would be a little harder. It just gives you more precision. Once I do that, I'm just going to go in with some scissors. And you guys, like I said, you can find these products, the razors, the scissors, literally at any store. Dollar Tree has like this little pack where it comes with tweezers, scissors, and something else. Oh, and nail clippers. It's a nail clipper set, yeah. Tweezers, scissors, and nail clippers. So I bought a bunch of those, and I like to go in, I like to brush the hairs up and then trim the hairs that are overgrown. After like doing my second brow, I realized like I don't even know what I was thinking, you guys. Like, so if it's really hard trying to like take the spoolie and hold the hair and like trim. So another thing you can do, like you see here, I just brush my hairs downward. Brush your hairs downward and then trim that excess hair. I don't know what I was thinking about in the beginning, but yeah, I figured it out when I got to my second brow. So I just took the smaller razor and I'm just trimming closer, and then I go in with this larger razor just to kind of get most of the hair off. What is it, like my forehead? Everybody's hairline is different. So my hair literally like grows towards my eyebrows, man. So I don't even know if I'm cutting baby hairs or eyebrow hairs, but I try to like keep it separated and just shave as close to my brow as possible. Like, y'all, my mother has cursed me with this hairline. Like, I have it, my brother has it, and my nephew has it. It's so crazy. Yeah, but anyways, we're gonna do the same exact thing to the second brow. And guys, I wanted to say that like if this is your first time doing your own brows, you're gonna probably make a mistake. That's the only way you're gonna learn. That's what happened to me. I used to get my brows arched back in the day, and then I went to college and I couldn't get my brows done. You know, you're in a new area, so you don't know who to go to. So I basically started playing around with my brows in college, and then I started arching my own brows because one, I didn't know the area, I didn't know who to go to get, you know, my eyebrows done, and two, I was a broke college student, so money, yeah, we didn't have time to be spending money on stuff like this. So I'm glad I had that experience. and that I had the opportunity to learn how to groom my own brows, because it comes in handy. Like, I pick and choose when I want my brows waxed. If I want to grow my brows out, I can definitely do that, and just arch them, just clean it up a little bit until I get it to that desired thickness. But yeah, definitely take the time out to learn how to do things independently, because like now with this whole quarantine thing, you never know when you have to do things independently. And I know a lot of us are learning, like, we can do our own nails, or do the press on thing. With that, you can learn how to do your own brows, doing your own hair, learning to do your own makeup. Like, we shouldn't be super dependent on others to do those things for us. Yes, it is nice to just get ourselves pampered. I promise it is nice, and I cannot wait to get pampered. But yeah, it's also good to know how to do things. But yeah, that's just my little spiel. So once the brows are done, I like to go back in with another cotton, excuse me guys, a cotton pad with that same with witch hazel, and I like to just clean everything up, and then I'm just going in the middle. I'm gonna just take the razor and just kind of shave. Like, I don't know if I have hairs there, but I'm just shaving so it can be like nice and clean. But yeah, y'all, this is super easy. Like, very, very easy. Definitely try it. And these are my groom brows. So now it is time for the brow routine. Okay, I have not done a brow routine, Lord, since forever. Okay, I can't even go all the way back like that. But for my brows, I like to use like 3 different pencils. So this first pencil is going to be Wet n Wild. I believe it's called Simmer Brown now. This is the one I used in the past brow video. I still use that from time to time. But girl, I gotta get a new one because baby girl was dull. I tried to sharpen her and she would just act it up. So it's definitely time for a new pencil. So what I'm doing here is just outlining everything. I like to use this dark brown pencil just to create my eyebrow shape. With the other pencil I have, I can't really create the shape because it's too light. So I like to go in with a darker shade. So I like to go underneath first. Then I brush my hairs down and go on top. And then I brush my hairs back into place. And now I'm using the E.L.F. Ultimate Brow Pencil. And I will leave these products down in the description box because I can't even remember the shade. But it's like this light brown, like, it's not gray, but it's like a light brown, cool tone brown shade. And I love this pencil and I love this shade because it makes my brows look super soft and not so harsh. You know, back in the day, we wanted our brows to be snatched, and we was a little harsh. I had brown brows, I had dark brown brows, but you learn and you grow, and now we know better. And then these brows might not be it in the next couple years. So do what you do with your brows, whatever makes you happy. So next, I'm just going to be taking an angle brush, and I'm using LA Pro Espresso and Toffee, y'all, and I'm making a little concoction just to get the shade that I want. Some days I want to shade more so my skin tone. Some days I want like the medium balanced shade, and then some days I want a real light highlight. What am I trying to say? I want a real light brow highlight, just to give it more of an arch and lifted look. So the lighter you go, the more arched your brows look. The darker you go, the kind of more natural your brows look. So keep that in mind. So I'm just applying that concealer, shaping everything out, and I'm going to be dragging that down, and I'm going to do the same thing on top, you guys. So this is super simple, super easy, but I realize people are still, you know, trying to figure out their brows, and I'm just going to be the one to tell you they ain't going to always come out even. They're never going to come out even. So get over that. It's never going to happen. I've been doing this since high school. It's never going to happen, okay? Just accept that, you know, these are distant cousins, you know, that see each other every now and then, okay? But they still look good because people can't, you know, really tell in your pictures and videos, and they don't need to be all up in your face. So yeah, guys, this is the brows. I don't want to forget, like, I'm like logging out, like I'm just done. I like to go in and I like to brush everything to make everything look super natural. And then I'm taking this last pencil, Ruby Kisses pencil. Again, everything will be down below. And I like to go to the front of my brow, and whatever the concealer like erased, I like to go back with that pencil and just add it back. And y'all, look how soft that looks. Like, girl, that looks so good. But yeah, y'all, these are the brows. Alright guys, so this is the finished eyebrow routine and my grooming routine. I hope you guys learned something and maybe will try to groom your own eyebrows. But again, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Definitely some comments, subscribe to my channel if you have not. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video.